Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. My name's Anthony.Salazar. Everybody calls me Big Sal. Today we're going to be looking at a 2017 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 27Q. This is a great, awesome coach, under 28 feet. Will fit almost anywhere. It's got a great floor plan and a great layout. Let's go in and take a look. Folks, as you look at this coach, one thing I really want to point out, for being a small coach on the exterior, you've got a great storage at the back of this, accessible from three sides. You can really fit a lot of gear in here. Lawn chairs, your picnic table, all kinds of stuff. It's really a cool feature on this Winnebago Minnie Winnie. Now, as we come into the coach and we go into the cockpit area, you've got a nice, your typical Ford V10 platform for most of these models of that year. It's in great condition. Fairly low miles on this coach, about 24,000 miles. It does have a backup camera. It's got an overhead bunk with a little ladder that goes along with it for the kiddos. Beautiful little dinette area, and that's where your slide portion of the coach is. And then, for being a small coach, a lot of these don't have the counter space. This one has really nice counter space, and it's got a nice oven with a 3-burner cooktop, microwave, a nice little television up there as well. And then as you walk towards the back into the bathroom area, you've got a nice shower, toilet, nice little amount of storage for a small coach for the bathroom area. You got hooks on the door to hang your towels. Really a nice coach. And then as you walk towards the back, you've got a really nice walk-around bed, good amount of storage on each side and all the way around, built-in storage. Really a nice coach. Folks, if you enjoyed my presentation on this coach, or you see another coach here at Guaranty RV you'd like to see, please get a hold of me, Big Sal, 951-443-8323.